At this point, you should be able to identify problems that are worthwhile to solve while thinking through market research and user research, understand the market through deeper research, and identify good markets based on size, growth, and acquisition, as well as identifying product market fit. Identify your target user, which has shared characteristics and are likely interested in your product, as well as being able to build user personas that include frustrations, goals, and motivations. Calculate the TAM for your product, as well as understand 3 different methods for calculating, including top-down, bottoms-up, and value theory. Calculate the ROI for solving a problem and the associated payback period. Define hypotheses about your product that need to be validated around customer need, your solution, differentiation, and value. Test your hypotheses by putting them in front of users, either through user interviews, focus groups, surveys, or by running a design sprint. And lastly, understand the components required to build a business case so that it's easy for stakeholders to understand the size, impact, and importance of the problem. Congrats on completing Lesson 2, and I'll see you in the next lesson when we talk about vision and strategy.